Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create the Earth Zoom Out AI video using Pixelverse. If you go to the template section, you'll see the Earth Zoom challenge one here. You don't even need the prompt. You can use, I guess, a video. I'm just going to use a photo here. Just going to place that there. And as you can see, you'll get like credits. So I'm just going to select generate. Hopefully I'm able to generate. Okay, right now it's in queue. So hopefully I'll be back when it's loaded. If not, I'll just, okay, I think it's going to generate a little bit quickly, a little bit more quick. Okay, here it is, super fast. And this is what your video should look like. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. That was loud. I hope it was helpful for you guys. To download, just select the download button. I'm gonna say it was helpful again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.